Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for in-depth reviews on the best products in the market. In today's episode, we're diving into what we confidently call the best outdoor planter set available right now. The TUYOHW set of 2 large tall planters. If you've been looking to enhance your garden, porch, or interior space with modern, functional, and weather-resistant planters, this product might just be your next great purchase. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the striking design. Each planter in this set stands at 24 inches tall, offering a bold vertical profile that makes them perfect for framing entrances, lining pathways, or making a statement in any indoor space. The black color is sleek and modern, complementing a wide range of aesthetics. Whether you're going for minimalist elegance, a rustic patio vibe, or a more traditional porch setting, the planters are crafted from high-quality plastic, but don't let that fool you. These are not flimsy by any means. The material is both fade-resistant and UV-resistant, which means you can confidently place them outside in full sun without worrying about them losing color or becoming brittle over time. And of course, they're designed to withstand a variety of outdoor elements, from intense summer heat to pouring rain. One of the standout features is the drainage system. Each planter comes with its own tray that ensures proper water flow. This is essential for keeping your plants healthy and preventing root rot, a problem many gardeners face with pots that lack adequate drainage. Whether you're planting flowers, small trees, or ornamental grasses, the built-in tray makes maintenance significantly easier. Now let's talk about the shape. The tapered design not only looks elegant, but it also adds to the planter's stability. Wider at the top and narrower at the base, the shape minimizes the chances of tipping over during strong winds or when holding top-heavy plants. It's this combination of aesthetics and engineering that sets these planters apart from standard alternatives. Inside, there's plenty of space. The large capacity offers ample room for roots to grow and spread, making it ideal for more mature or larger plants that need that extra depth. This also gives you flexibility. You could plant something simple like ferns or go big with small palms or ficus trees. What makes this set even more attractive is its versatility. Use them indoors as statement pieces in living rooms or office lobbies, or outdoors to spruce up your garden, backyard, or balcony. Wherever you place them, they elevate the look of the space instantly. To wrap up, the TUYOHW set of 2 tall planters delivers both style and substance. They're tall, elegant, weather-resistant, and come with thoughtful features like a drainage tray and tapered stability. All at a price point that makes sense for long-term use. Whether you're an experienced gardener or someone just looking to green up your space, this set is a solid investment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this sounds like the planter set you've been looking for, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest and thorough product breakdowns. See you in the next one.